This 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch home sits on a picturesque lot with amazing landscaping. Entering the home, the sitting room with stunning ornamental fireplace welcomes you inside and beckons you to stay a while. The sunken living room offers gorgeous woodwork and a wall of cabinets that will remain. The kitchen offers a great space to cook with oak cabinets, tile backsplash, and lots of room for storage. Step into the formal dining room where a large window pours natural light inside, creating a bright and cheery environment to gather. An additional entertainment space leading to the back patio offers more room to enjoy company. And the finished basement is complete with 2 living areas where an additional fireplace keeps the space cozy and comfortable all winter long. When winter melts into spring, you'll spend all of your time outside in the backyard paradise. The private backyard boasts a large waterfall, fire pit, an abundance of nature, and mature landscaping. Don't miss out on this amazing home. Call Debbie Lusick to learn more.